Imagine having unlimited access to ChatGPT 4 without spending a single penny. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it for free. Obviously, for free. Check out this quick demo of ChatGPT in action.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking for...
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am.
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us team.
Are you back with me?
I'm here. What's on your mind? Hello. How's it going? Anything you'd like to chat about?
Hey there. How's your day going?
Hey, my day's going well. Thanks for asking.
Let's be honest, who doesn't want to focus the easiest route? Today we are focusing on smartphone version, which is super simple and straight to the point. So grab your phone and let's dive into the quick and easy tutorial. So for this, open Play Store if you are using Android or App Store if you are using iPhone, and search for ChatGPT and download the official ChatGPT app. Once you download the app, agree to all terms and conditions. After that, sign in with your Gmail account. After that, go on to the bottom right corner and click on that audio icon. Once you click on it, it will prompt you to select some voices. Select a voice of your choice and there you have it. Now you know how to get ChatGPT for free and use it as much as you want.